We got an invite to join some friends at their cottage for their annual Beer Olympics, and we thought, hey, why not? So we hitched up the trailer and got on the road. We just left 6 Mile Provincial Park and we're headed to our final destination now. Friends of ours have a cottage and we're going to park our trailer there. But first, we got some pitas at Pita. We were on the road to our next destination and came across Thornbury Breweries, which we've had before, so we decided to stop and pick up some cider for the weekend. It wasn't long before we had the trailer parked in a beautiful spot in our friend's front yard, and we were already relaxing by the lake. This was going to be a great place to spend the long weekend. This is our beautiful lot for this weekend. We're so lucky to have these awesome friends who have allowed us to park in their front yard with a beautiful lake view. The first night was spent relaxing around the fire, telling stories, and catching up. Look at that view that we're waking up to this morning. It's another nice, beautiful, sunny day. We've got a great day ahead of us. Probably start off with some exploring of the local area. And we have friends staying next to us here who just got their own fiberglass trailer. This one's a truck camper. I'll give you a tour of that in a future video. Pretty neat that we've both been able to fit here, and this is our view. Not bad at all. It wasn't long before our friends offered to take us on a little tour of Sauble Beach, a very popular beach town in southern Ontario. We did a bit of shopping, had a walk down the main drag, and tried the original beach burger, which includes a burger patty, pea meal bacon, pineapple, and mozzarella cheese. It was delicious. We are enjoying a great day at Sauble Beach. Our hosts have decided to tour us around, and we've just stopped for a burger at the Beach Burger. After getting back to our friend's cottage, the sun was roasting, so our friends offered to take everyone on the pontoon boat. It's a good thing they have a huge boat, because there was a lot of people to fit on. And of course, we ended the day with another relaxing campfire. Well, it's Sunday morning and we've had a great weekend so far. And today we've been told that there's a big activity that takes place every year on this long weekend, and it is called the Beer Olympics, and apparently we will be participating, so we'll see what that's all about. So it begins. We're headed off for the Hawaiian Beer Olympics. We had no idea what we were getting into, but it sounded like fun, so why not? As we approached the games area, it was clear there was going to be some serious competition.
Hey, for the games, it's just going to be single knockout. If you lose, you go and have beers till the next game. So, for example, if you're playing cornhole, if you win, you keep playing.
We were given some very loose rules by the hosts, and then it was time to kick things off.
If you lose, you get no point. We need 2 teams at cornhole.
Hey, you two, how old are we? Where's my partner? Okay, we're at cornhole, Lincoln, let's go.
Heads up! Heads up!
Olympics 2024 costumes. Slay, 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 slay. Master's costume's gone. Branson's costume. Right in. Liv's costume matches with Colin, matching bathing suit. Kyla's costume's gone. Mom's costume. Dad's costume. Dave. M's is right there. Uncle Timmy just went for a dip. Lincoln's Mr. Duckman. Coco matches Liv. Cam lost her costume too. And Aunt Michelle's costume. Yep, go. Oh, yes, yes.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
The whole day was so much fun, and it was topped off by an amazing dinner, followed by one last surprise to end the evening. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.